Good day everyone! Another Tagalog video lesson guys. Pero sa video lesson na to, mag-Tagalog word of the day naman tayo. Kasi matagal na rin tayong walang word of the day, di ba? Ang ating Tagalog word ay ito. Banda. It could mean this or it could mean have you ever asked someone where is D? Like for example, where's the seafood city here? Where is the pharmacy? And the person's response was banda don or banda dyan. Saan ang office nila? I'm not sure pero banda don. Banda don. No. Banda don?
Opisina?
For making video. Smile. Grabe, ang init no? Saan yung entrance? Where is it? Banda don. Banda don.